What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Fishing North Atlantic on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we can locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So quickly go to the Steam website, and after that we need to search up the game Fishing North Atlantic. Once you have done that, select the game and scroll a little bit down, and then you will find that this game is €29.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now the next step is of course search up the same game, Fishing North Atlantic. Now search for the game. After that, select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, we need to search for a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and once you have found one, select it. Now once you have done that, you will find out that this game is already available for just €6.61 compared to the price on Steam of €29.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games. Now you can purchase this game through this website, and after that you will receive an activation key for Steam to download this game through Steam with all the steps to follow, and after that you are able to play Fishing North Atlantic at your PC, but much cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!